good afternoon. We are Khomosi Traders. We are established in 1976 and are pioneers and oldest showroom in Dera hardware market. We pride ourselves with 4 decades of experience in the market. A vast knowledge based of experience gives us confidence to fulfill any need of our customers. We offer our services to esteemed customers as suppliers of quality furniture fittings and building materials. Our team of dedicated professionals endeavor to cater our customer unique needs through the most innovative value through our products that help the customer achieve quality functionality in functions systems. We offer a competitive solution package through a diverse product range of over 10,000 items ex stock through our imports available at any given point of time. Continuous expansion of range ensures that we give best requirements and best materials to our customers. But with the help of highly dedicated and professional sales and marketing team, we have established a strong clientele based in distribution in retail market segment throughout UAE, GCC, Asia and African countries. For any queries, please do not hesitate to contact us at any of our locations and we will be glad to serve you. A few of our products are door sliding systems, decorative profiles, furniture fittings, hinges, door closers, decorative profiles, furniture fittings, handles, profiles, connectors, caster wheels, drawer locks, panel pins, nails and edge banding. We have all these products in ready stock available at our stores in Dera and in Gizes. Thank you.